burger, brown color burger, cake, cake, let's make pizza, pizza, wow, ice cream, yummy, French fries, tasty French fries, cold drink, egg in breakfast, sauce for pizza, sauce, cake, cold drink, breakfast, egg, hamburger, pizza, ice cream, French fries. So let's cut pizza into pieces. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 piece, 2 pieces, and 3 pieces of pizza. Hamburger. I'll cut the hamburger in 2 pieces. Ta-da! Brown, green, yellow, black color hamburger. Ice cream. I'm cutting the ice cream in 2 pieces. Ice cream, brown and white vanilla ice cream. Okay, I'm cutting the cake. Cake in 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ta-da! Great breakfast! Yummy to serve! If you can try hamburger and eggs in breakfast. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more kids learning videos.